Namaskar, kids. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. And good morning, all. Good morning, beta. I'm also fine. Namaskar, beta. Namaskar. So, kids, today's our slope is Pachan Mantra, right? Pachan Mantra slope. So, first we will do join your hand, close your eyes. अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनाम देहमित्रा प्राणायान समायुक्ता पंचायज्ञ चतुर्विधा। तो किस श्लोक का अर्थ है, मैं ही सब प्राणियों का प्राण हूँ, मैं ही अग्नि रूप हूँ। घर के इन द्वारा आप खाए गए चारों प्रकार के अन्न को पचाता हूँ। Rub your palm, put them on your eyes and open your eyes. Now it's today's date and date. DAY date. Monday. 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 Which day is today? MON MONDAY Monday and DATE date. Which date is today, kids? 25th October 2021, right? Now today's thought, a healthy outside start home. अगर आप अच्छा खाओगे, अगर आप अंदर से हेल्दी रहोगे तो अपने आप बाहर से भी हेल्दी रहोगे, राइट? अगर आप हेल्दी फूड खाओगे तो कैसे रहोगे? हेल्दी। जैसे आप अंदर से हेल्दी फूड खा के अंदर से आप अच्छे रहते हो तो आप अपने आप बाहर से भी इतने एक्टिव हो जाते हो, राइट? अगर हम जंक फूड खाते हैं तो हम कैसे हो जाते हैं? लेजी हो जाते हैं। कैसे हो जाते हैं? लेजी। कौन सा फूड खाना चाहिए? हेल्दी फूड, राइट? नाउ टुडेज क्लास वर्क इज November and December. So today's class, today we are going to start months of the year. How many months are there in 1 year? How many months, kids? Today's class work is, yes, 12 months. Very good. And how many days in a 1 week? How many days in a 1 week? 1 week में कितने days होते हैं? How many days in a 1 week? 7 days. Very good. Now kids, who is tell me about what is the first month of the year? What is the first month of the year? Monday. First month, beta. First month. First month. What is the spelling of January? January. January. How many days in this month? How many days in this month? 31. Your hand should be like this. Your hand should be like this. मैम ने कैसे सिखाया है? January is the first month of the year, and how many days in this month? 31 days. Now next month, yes, very good, Niva. Now next month. Next month. February. Okay. February is the second month of the year. Yes, and what is the spelling of February? February. February.
February. February.
February. February is the shortest month, right? And how many days in this month? How many days in this month?
28.
Oh, very good, Pavitra. 28 or 29 days, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now next month.
March.
Now next
March.
month. Yes. What is the spelling of March? M-A-R-C-H. How many days in this month?
30.
Oh, very good. 31 days. How many days? 31 days. Right. Now next month.
April.
Okay. What is the spelling of April? A-P-R-I-L. April. And how many days in this month?
30.
Very good. 30 days. Very good. 30 days. Now next. Which month is coming?
May.
What is the spelling of May? M-A-Y, May. And how many days?
31 days.
Oh, very good. 31 days. Now next month.
July.
Yes, July. What is the spelling of July? July. How many days in this month? Sonia. June. How many days in this month? 30 days. Yes. June. June. 30 days. Now next. Which month is coming? Okay, July is the 7th month. What is the spelling of July? J-U-L-Y, July. And how many days in this month?
31 days.
Okay, 31 days. Very good. Now next. Now next.
August.
What is the spelling of August? A-U-G-U-S-T. August. How many days in this month? 31 days. Very good.
31 days.
Now next. Now next.
September.
What is the spelling of September? September. And how many days in this month? Very good, 30 days.
September.
Now next, which month is coming now?
October.
Yes, हमारे प्रिय गांधी बापू का बर्थडे होता है ना? October. October. And how many days in this month?
31.
Yes, 31 days. Yes, very good. Now next, which month is coming now?
November.
November. How many days in this month? 30 days. Very good.
30 days.
Now last month. Very good. December is the 12th month, right? What is the spelling of December? D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. And how many days in this month? Oh, very good. December is the last month of the year, right?
मैम दिसंबर में सेंटा क्लॉज आते हैं.
Yes, very good. 25th December, right?
Yes. मैम दिसंबर.
Now kids, now I will ask some questions. So are you ready?
Yes.
Kids, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now kids, see. Today, today is, read it, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Today is Monday. Then what day is tomorrow? अगर आज मंडे है तो कल कौन सा डे आएगा? What day is tomorrow?
Tuesday.
Yes, very good. What is the spelling of Tuesday? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. And what day was yesterday? अगर आज मंडे है तो yesterday कौन सा डे था? Yesterday was
Monday.
no beta. Yesterday was, today is Monday, right? So yesterday was, कल कौन सा डे था बेटा? Sunday. Yes, S-U-N-D-A-Y. Kids, see, Monday, right? Then yesterday was, कल कौन सा डे था जो चला गया है? Sunday. And tomorrow will be, जो आने वाला है. This is a Tuesday. Do you understand, kids? Now next, today is H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. आज Thursday है. Then tomorrow, what is tomorrow? Thursday के बाद कौन सा डे आता है? Okay, very good. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Okay, very good, kids. Today is Thursday. Then what day was yesterday? उससे पहले कौन सा डे था?
Wednesday.
Oh, very good, Jiva. W-E-D-S-E-S-D-A-Y. Did you understand, kids? क्या confusion है अभी भी? आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि confusion है?
Understand.
Concept is clear? Okay, now next. Today is W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Today is Wednesday. What day is tomorrow? अगर आज Wednesday है, then what day is tomorrow?
ना नहीं बोलूँ.
Today is Wednesday. Then what day is tomorrow? अगर वेनसडे है तो कल कौन सा डे होगा? ओके, व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ थर्सडे? THURSDAY. Thursday. What day was yesterday? Tuesday. TUESDAY. Tuesday, right? Now, today is Friday. अगर आज Friday है, then what day is tomorrow? तो उसके बाद कौन सा डे होगा Friday के बाद? Tomorrow will?
Saturday.
Yeah, very good. Saturday. Tomorrow will Saturday. SATURDAY. Saturday now. And today is Friday. Then yesterday was? अगर आज फ्राइडे है तो कल कौन सा डे था? थर्सडे. वेरी गुड. THURSDAY. थर्सडे, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट, टुडे इज संडे. अगर आज संडे है देन टुमारो विल बी? नो बेटा, टुमारो. टुडे इज संडे देन टुमारो. अगर आज संडे है तो कल कौन सा डे होगा? Yes, tomorrow will be Monday. MONDAY. Monday, right? And then yesterday was? Today is Sunday. Then yesterday was?
Monday.
No, beta, yesterday. आज संडे है तो कल कौन सा डे चला गया? Yesterday was? Saturday. Yes, SATURDAY. Saturday. Now kids, what day comes before Friday? What day comes before Friday? Friday before? Okay, very good. Thursday. THURSDAY. What day comes before Friday? मतलब फ्राइडे से पहले कौन सा डे आता है? Thursday, right? What day comes after Saturday?
Sunday.
What day comes after Saturday? After Saturday? Okay, Sunday. 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 Now, it's Sunday today. It's Sunday today. What day will be tomorrow? What day will be tomorrow? It's Sunday today. अगर आज संडे है then what day will be tomorrow? Oh, very good. Monday. 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 Now kids, in which day is the third letter D? In which day is the third letter D? कौन से डे का थर्ड लेटर डी है? बेटा, in which day is the third letter D? Monday, Wednesday या Thursday? किसका थर्ड लेटर डी है? Monday, Wednesday या Thursday? Yes, first, second and third. This is the correct, right? Wednesday has third letter D, right? Okay, kids, now take out a GK notebook. Now first write it down, classwork, and mention date 25th October 2021.
Claro.
Are you ready, kids?
Wait, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now our ninth month, right? What is the ninth month? N-O V-E.
11th one.
Arey, yeah, sorry.
11th month.
No, V-E-M-B-E-R. November.
Hello. अरे नवंबर ना स्पेलिंग
આમ કરને ખોલને એટલે આવે.
November has how many days?
9th या 10th
11th में. बेटा मेरे से गलती से हो गया था. 11th month. November is the 11th month of the year. And how many days in this month? 30 days. November. November. November.
name name
बोलो बेटा.
हमें भी लिखना है कि 31
हाँ बेटा.
30 days है
Yes. November. 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 November.
Done, man. Done, man.
Yes बेटा. November. November.
Man, please go slow.
November. November is the 11th month of the year. And how many days in this month? 30 days, right? November, November.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, now our next month. Which month is
December.
coming? 12th month. Yes. What is the spelling of December?
D.
E. C. M. B. E. R. And how many days in this month? 31 days. How many days? D. E. C. E. M. B. E. R. December. December is the last month of the year, right?
Yes.
D. E. C. E. S. B. E. R. December. D. E. C. E. M. B. E. R. December is the last month of the year. D. E. C. E. M. B. E. R. December. December.
And December. And please go slow.
D. E. C. E. M. B. E. R. December.
And December. D. E. C. E. And
D. E. C. E. M. B. P. E. R. December. You have to write 2 or 3 letters, right? Okay, Pavitra. Okay, Pranshi. D. E. C. E. M. B. E. R. December. Okay, Riva. Good. D. E. C. E. M. B. E. R. December. This is our classwork and your homework in page number 15 in worksheet, half page, right? What did in classwork, kids? आज आपने क्लासवर्क में क्या किया? एंड देन और भी हमने कुछ किया ना? क्या किया था? मैंने आपसे क्या करवाया था? All months name, right? And then questions of day of the week and questions of month of the year, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Your concept clear of today, tomorrow and yesterday? Your concept is clear? Today, tomorrow and yesterday? या confusion है और?
No.
Okay. रीवा आपको क्लियर है ये कंसेप्ट बेटा? This one concept?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, our session is finished here. So bye-bye, take care, have a nice day, namaskar. Bye-bye, kids.
Bye, ma'am. Namaskar.
Bye-bye.
Second page परीक्षा हो.
See you tomorrow.
दीदी ने ले वजह